Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever heard about a government bailing out a big company when it is on the verge of bankruptcy? These bailouts generally attract a lot of negative media attention. Why is it so? What is moral hazard? Let's find out the answers to these questions today. Also, if you go on to like this video, please click on the subscribe button. It's free and you can definitely change your mind later. Coming to our topic, moral hazard is a term used quite often in insurance sector. It is a risk faced by insurance companies. Let me give you a relatable example. In cricket, whenever the umpire signals a no ball, a free hit is given to the batsman. In a free hit, the batsman won't be declared out even if he loses his wicket. So, on such deliveries, the batsmen generally opt for the riskiest possible shot to get the maximum possible runs. This is because the batsmen don't face the risk of losing their wicket. The same thing happens in an insurance policy. Let's say Mr. X buys a car insurance policy that covers all repairs and maintenance. Now that Mr. X has the assurance of recovering all the costs of repairs from the insurance company, it is more likely that Mr. X will drive his car recklessly. This is because he is not the one who is facing the consequences. Moral hazard arises when one party to a contract can take risks without having to face the consequences. In this case, the insurance company would be expecting that Mr. X would still continue to drive carefully. However, Mr. X is not being moral. He is driving recklessly just because it is the insurance company who is facing the consequences. Coming to bailouts. A bailout is a cash injection into a company that is on the verge of bankruptcy. For example, AIG, which is an insurance company, was on the verge of bankruptcy during the global financial crisis of 2008. It was such a big company that its bankruptcy would have affected the entire world economy. It would have affected millions of people and lots of other companies. So it was quite essential to make this company survive. As a result, the government of America gave AIG a cash injection that helped it to survive. That is, the government of America bailed out AIG. However, there are two important considerations why governments are hesitant to bail out big companies. Firstly, negative media attention. This is because no one likes taxpayers' money getting used to save big corporates. The second reason is moral hazard. Remember, Mr. X, who was generally a careful driver, started driving recklessly just because he had the assurance that the losses would be borne by the insurance company. In the same manner, if big companies get the feeling that in case they run into problems, then the government is going to bail them out, then all the big companies will start getting reckless. The whole economy would be in trouble. Imagine you give a guarantee for your friend who wants to take a personal loan from a bank. He breaks your trust and runs away, and you have to bear the losses. Will you ever be able to trust another friend when it comes to giving a guarantee? The same thing happens with insurance companies. When they have to suffer the consequences of moral hazard, they become more skeptical and they increase the insurance premium rates. This is because their expenses will go up as they have to bear the losses, so they will pass it on to the consumers. The genuine consumers will suffer. As a result, it is very important that the people and corporates of a country are ethical and genuine, because if they are not, then the entire economy is going to suffer. If you have any doubts, then feel free to mention them in the comment section. I would be glad to answer. If you want to discuss any topic or give me video suggestions, then you can connect with me on social media. I've put the links in the description box. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for my upcoming videos. Do share it with your friends and family who might be interested in finance. Stay tuned. Thank you.